Hi. So today I would like to show you the whole process of creating a web application from the very idea that I start with to the implementation and even maybe deployment, or if not deployment, the final stages before deployment. I would like to show you the whole process that I go through with almost every application. Now I don't say that this is the best way to do this. I don't think there is a best way to do this, but it's something that works for me. So yeah, let's get cracking and see what comes on the end of the video. Okay, so with like with every project, I start with the idea. So you can just open your cursor, windsurf, or wherever you code and create projects and start writing your prompt, or you can use a text editor of sorts like I did here and just create a short description of what you want to create. So I have a list of project ideas here that I often use when I create these YouTube videos, so that I don't start from the blank canvas. If you have something like idea bucket, just pick one and start doing stuff. So yeah, let's create a business image generator. So I'm usually tasked at my workplace to create graphics, do some design, create newsletters and stuff like that. If there is some kind of computer generated design stuff, that's usually where I come in. So I use images from Pixabay and free stock websites like that, but I would also like to have image generator that's fine-tuned for business purposes. So I'm gonna create something that's based on Gather AI's Flux Schnell model for starters, so that it's completely free, and maybe we will add a paid or premium version later on. So yeah, let's start. Okay, first step of every project is to create an idea. So I'm just gonna use this one and let's just enhance it. So this is the basic idea. Image generator with built-in prompts, as in prompt enhanced, for business use cases. I have an idea of using this for creating business-related pictures, images and graphics for newsletters, PowerPoint presentations and stuff like that. Let's just add implementation. Create separate meta prompts that should be, and by the way, I'm not sure that this is a thing, but I'm calling it. Create separate meta prompts that should be combined with user provided prompt for better quality, accuracy and professional business look. There should be one for newsletter, PowerPoint presentation, for business websites, etc. This is the implementation. Let's add features. So there should be aspect ratio, styles, features. User should be able to pick. User should be able to pick the purpose of the image, icons, photos, vectors, illustrations. There should be a style picker, so that user can pick minimalistic style, realistic, 3D or clip art. Users should also be able to pick a purpose for the image. So for instance, presentations, flyers, brochures, posters, advertising, web and app design, marketing materials. Okay, so this is the basic idea. This is the implementation, and these are some of the features that I thought of. Implementation. implementation. So create separate meta prompt that should be combined with user provided prompt for better quality, accuracy and professional business look. When user provides a prompt of what he wants to create, use their inputs from the features, from the selected features, and combine them with the prompt, and then send it to Together AI Flux model. Let's just add API. Together AI API. No, let's just say provider model Flux. Now let's go with this free model for now. And we will add this part. Okay. And I think that's nice for start. And we created ourselves a spec document. Okay, so now when we have a plan, let's call it a plan. This is not very detailed, but let's say it's okay. We are going to use Windsurf. You can use any other AI coding agent that you wish. I just like Windsurf. Can you please help me create this application? And just paste it in. We are going to link Together AI documentation here, and let me just create a screenshot of this and add it here. I'm giving you a screenshot of the application that I like, so please use it as inspiration for the design of the app. Okay, so this is it, and let's start cracking. Okay, so the creation of the initial application is over. I just need to edit my env file and put my Together AI API key in there. So we're gonna do that and we'll be right back. Okay, so I pasted in my API key and let's try to start the application. Okay, that's not bad. Let's see if it actually works. So let's create an illustration. Of people working together on. Okay. Let's do it in a style of clip art, and for presentation, yeah, that's okay. No, let's do it. Failed to generate image. Let's just see what is there. Let's clear console and generate image. Okay, so this is the app works fine, but when I try to generate image I get an error. let's just do this. Okay, I like how you presented the modified prompt, but I want you to create an image as well. Send that prompt to the Flux model and retrieve the image. The prompt itself can be displayed beneath the image. Okay, so it finished again. Let's open in external browser. A group of people working together on solving a problem. Let's do illustration, clip art, presentation, and one. Yeah, that's about it. Let's do photos, posters, 3, 4. Oh, it's not a, that's a photo. Okay, so let's say presentations. Maybe it's because of that. Okay, so realistic. Yeah, that's it. So you have to mess around with this. What are they doing there sitting on the table? Okay, anyway, the app actually works. That's great. That's awesome, actually. I'm gonna use that. Yeah, what would be the next step? Let's try to make it a bit prettier. I like the app. It's amazing and it works fine. Without changing the logic of the app, can you implement some upgrades into the design aspect of it? Make it look awesome and cool and modern and sleek. Oh yeah, it looks okay. It's modern, it's business-like, it has little animations. Yeah, I like it. I like the way it looks. So let's say a team of professionals with a nice view of the city. Let's say that. Flat presentations, let's do it 16 by 9. Yeah. I like that you can copy the prompt, so you can try to use it in other places. Now, bear in mind that this is still made with a free Flux Schnell model, so the quality of images is limited. So maybe we can make a premium version of this and try to use some of the bigger models, like for instance maybe we can use Ideogram or Imagen or Flux Pro 1.1 or maybe even Ultra, but that all costs money. So if you want to create this as a micro SAS or something, you could be doing that, but just for what I have in mind, it's not necessary. For instance, 1.1 Pro is 0.04 per image. So if you give that to your colleagues at workplace, that's gonna stack up pretty fast. But if we, for instance, introduce a premium membership for this app, so that people who want to use premium models can use them, but they have to pay, for instance, $20 per month. Yeah, that could be possible. But we are not going to use that right now. If you want, you just comment below and we can implement that, but that's another video, I believe, or this one will take too long. So what I want to do now is to find a place for this. We're just gonna go with Vercel. I have already my projects here. We're gonna create a new project here and try to deploy this app. Okay, so we are setting up a GitHub repository of this application. We just started with git init and now we are adding all the files after we created a git ignore file, of course. Okay. Okay, so we are doing an initial commit. Yep, we can see it's committed. And let's check it on GitHub. It should be on GitHub right now. Repositories. Oh, it's not published. Okay, so let's just publish branch on our publish to public repository. Yeah, let's go with public. So now it should be visible here. Yep. Let's now go to Vercel. Okay, let's keep. Okay, I created and published this branch on GitHub. Let's go step by step on setting up the Vercel deployment. Create a new project. Okay. A new project. Business image generator. Configure project. Okay, so business image generator. I'm not gonna touch all this, and I need to add my together API key in my environment variables. So we're gonna pause for a second. Okay, I added the variable here, and I believe that's about it. Okay, so and let's deploy. And here we are. We got a deployed application here. This is our dashboard on Vercel. Are we? Yeah, it's just on dark mode. Okay, so business image generator Vercel app. Okay, I can live with that. Let's see if it works. Suite. Yeah, it works. So yeah, we have a working app and it's deployed. Okay, so we basically managed to create the app that we started with this idea, and let's just call this part 1 of the video. In the next part I would like to create a premium version of this app that uses paying models, and that means that we have to add Stripe connection, database, and of course user login. So stay tuned and see you in the next one.